Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying to make a personalized picture frame. These are what I used. So let's get started. CreativeFabrica.com. This is the design that I wanted to use. Download, extract from the zip file, delete the original zip file, and upload the PNG format to Canva Design Space. Upload image. My biggest mat is 12 by 12, so I am changing my width to 11.5 and my height to 10.5. I am also mirroring the image so I can place it on the inside of the glass. Continue and send cut. Now it's time to weed the design, which was not easy. Took some time, but I got through. Some of the smaller letters, they were harder to weed, like they were coming up as I was pulling off the excess vinyl. Trying to take my time. This is the picture frame I use. It is for certificates. It is 11 inches by 14 inches. Now you could use any flat tool. It's just to lift the closures so I can pop out the inner parts of the frame, which is the glass. Now with a cotton round and rubbing alcohol, I'm just wiping the glass, making sure there's no fingerprints or any dust. I place the transfer tape onto the design, and then I am transferring the design onto the glass. Now here is where I had an issue. First of all, the transfer tape did not lay flat onto the design, so when I placed it onto the glass, there was a lot of bubbles. Secondly, the transfer tape with the vinyl was placed a bit on the slant side, so you can see when you look at Sheer Strong, it's kind of slant. So obviously this will be a do-over. Have to try this, but all in all, I liked this design. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.